Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create signatures on Outlook. So for this I am here on Outlook and I log in with my account. So once you are here, now I will go to new email, and once you are in messages section, now click on insert. So there we have signature option. Click on this drop down arrow and now click on signatures. So from here click on new signature and here you can add your signature name. So I will randomly add a name here, so which will be Olivia, and then click on enter. And if you want to add some description here, you can add it and then click on save. So in this way your signature is saved. If you want to add a signature here, so I will go to signatures and choose a name and then it will be added. So in this way you can create signatures on Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.